Okay, today will be the next part of our adventure, which is the lower sleeve. So you've got just these three pieces to get started. You have the lock ring that's part of the mechanism to remove the key. You have a small little spring that holds this into place and provides the spring tension. You have this collar. So there's a good look down the little tunnel where everything goes. So the mechanism is going to fit in just like so. And rotate super easy just like so. And this is what you push down to remove the key. So the real simple installation of this is merely to get this spring involved. So you just take this out, move that to the side, and you'll see this nice little notch down here. Slide that spring right into place. Put it back over. And there's a slight amount of grease I've put on there. Kind of a trick to get it in there. Just slide her down there. Then you see that spring is just still on the tangs but needs to be pushed down there. Just push it down the side. And then the entire unit is in place. Now this will pop out unless you hold it with your finger like so. But you see how it all works now. See the spring compressing when you push the lever down. And that's pretty much how that works. That's the simple part. Now you'll note that there's those two tangs sticking down. They happen to mash perfect with the end of the steering column, so we'll put that on in place now. There's our column. Slide it right down and over. And that's how the whole thing fits on the steering column. And there's the tangs in place that show the exact position it needs to be in.